Hi, thanks for joining me today. Today I will show you how to make the best piñata stick for small children for under $4. All this stuff here was bought at a dollar store. Now, I call it the best piñata stick for small children because this bat is very soft. So if you hit somebody with it by accident, it's not going to really do too much damage. Plus, the sounds that it makes gives a very satisfying sound when you hit the piñata, and small children are really not going to be strong enough to break a piñata anyway. So this is all about fun and safety. That's probably more important. Okay, what we're going to do is cut this paper here, and then we're going to tape it using this dollar store tape all the way around. Now, if you want to add a little bit more color, you can always throw in a second one for probably $1 more. All right. We are now ready to decorate our piñata stick. I'm going to take some of this yellow crepe paper here, and I'm going to fold it up a couple times. And then I'm going to cut it. Go about halfway. That's good enough. Okay, after unfolding it, I'm going to take some tape, which I pre-cut in advance, and you tape the bottom of the bat to the colored paper, and you just start going around. Now, when you're going around, you don't want to have too much spacing between the layers because it's going to show the color between. And so it's better to keep your rows or layers closer together. Let me tape along the way. The tape keeps the paper from coming out. There, you can see now that the paper has pretty good coverage because it's a light color and it doesn't hide the color of the green bat. If that's an issue for you, that's okay. But I'm going to do it because I really want the color of the paper to cover the color of the bat. Now I'm going to use red as well because I like my piñata sticks colorful. And I'm going to repeat the process. As you can tell, I already pre-cut this to make it easier for me. Let's go around the bat, putting pieces of tape along the way. Okay, now that's one way to tape it. Now, if you want to do it a different way, which is the way I learned, is you get a piece of clear tape and then using your fingers, you can bend it. It takes a little practice, but once you get it, you'll never forget it. And it becomes like a straw or double-sided tape. And you can use this instead of the other method of taping along the way because it's faster. I'll put about 3 strips around the bat. Yeah, I'll show you how to do it again. Using your thumbs, you go forward, and then with your other fingers, you fold back on the tape. Okay. Well, it's a little messy, but it'll work for you. With practice, you'll get better. All right. Now I will put my next peeper. Okay, here. And you just go round and round. You can see how much faster this is. Okay, now I'm going to switch colors again. I'm going to use a piece of the pre-cut tape and continue. One more piece of yellow tape. Yellow tape. Yellow paper. It's a little early for me, but the show must go on, as they say. And I want to top it off with some red paper. Oops. Went a little high on that one. I want a good coverage. Okay. This is good enough, so I'm going to cut off the excess. And I'm going to tape off the tip of the bat all the way around. There you go. All right, now we have our finished product and it's ready to party. And this is the best piñata stick for small children because number one, it's safe. Number two, it's cheap. And number three, it's lightweight. All right, let's party. Thank you for watching this short video on how to make the best piñata sticks for small children. Now, if piñatas are your thing, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up below. Thank you.